Hey, pretty boy. You want to show Nicky your airplane? Look. Look. Let's show him what the airplane does. Show him. What's it doing? Huh? You want to show him how you push these down? Let's see. Good job. Look at you. Let's do the rest. You get mad at this guy. Push him down. Make him go down. Oh, hey. You get him down? You're big boys. Yay! Yay! There's your airplane. That thing is fast, huh? What else do we have to play with? Let Mama find you something else. Evan, what about this guy? You gotta show Nicky all your toys. You gotta show him how you play. He wants to see you on YouTube. Show him all your toys. Too many to choose from, huh? Okay, we'll do another one next of you walking or standing up. Love you, Nicky.